Hello, dear final year students of B Pharmacy. Once again, I welcome you all in this online session of classes. So, as you all know, we are doing chapter number 4, which is correlation of unit number 1. And in the previous video, we have studied how to evaluate Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Now, let's study how to evaluate the next coefficient of correlation, which is termed as Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation. So this is a method of finding the correlation between two variables by taking their ranks, by considering their ranks, which is denoted by rho and is mathematically defined as rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into summation d square upon n into n square minus 1, where n is known as number of pairs of observations and summation of d square is sum of squares of differences of corresponding ranks. So generally question comes in the two categories, two cases, that is to calculate the rank correlation. First one is if there is no tie and second one is if there is a tie. So let's study the first case, that is when the correlation is with no tie. In case any one of the values in X series or Y series is non-repeating, so we can use the following steps for finding rank correlation with no tie. First step you have to do in the question is give rank 1 to the highest value, rank 2 the next highest value, and so on. Rank X series and Y series separately. Calculate the difference of rank in each pair of values, that is D is equals to Rx minus Ry. Next step is calculate the sum of squares of all D's, that is summation of D square, and lastly use the formula to find out the Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation. Rho is equals to 1 minus 6 summation d square upon n into n square minus 1. Now let's see one example. Find the rank correlation of following data of marks in two subjects of 7 students. So the marks of two subjects are given to us. Research methodology marks are of 7 students are 90, 82, 81, 71, 63, 49, 38, and the corresponding values of next subject of the same students quantitative techniques are given to us as 75, 71, 72, 70, 40, 50 and 43. So let's start the solution. So two variables are given to us. Let us name those variables as x and y. Let us make this tabular form in vertical form. So given the values of x, these are the values of y. First step given to us was we have to rank the values. Highest one, first rank, next second highest one, second rank. So I think all these values are given in decreasing order. So this rank will be just like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember that we have to rank first rank to the highest, not to the smallest one. That's only the thing to be remember. Now in this R, that is in the series of y, Ry, let us see rank of y. So 75 is the highest value, so we have ranked 1. Now 72 is the highest value, so we have ranked this value as 2. 71 is third highest, so we have given it the rank as 3. Let's say in this form we have given the ranks. Now let's find D, that is summation of ranks, Rx minus Ry. 1 minus 1 gives us 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1. Like this we have evaluated D. Next thing is D square. Let us square the values of D. So the square of 0 is 0, the square of minus 1 is 1, the square of 1 is 1. So after that, let us sum up this d square. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, and 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So this is summation of d square is 8. After that, using the formula of rank correlation, that is rho is equals to 1 minus 6 summation d square upon n into n square minus 1. 6 into summation of d square is 8 upon n is how many values of given to us as of x and y? Those are 7 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So upon 7 into n ka square, that is 7 ka square minus 1. So it's 49 minus 1, 48, 48, 48 got cancelled. 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 7. You can take LCM. 1 minus 1 upon 7, that is 6 upon 7. So the value will be 0.86. So dear ones, since this value rho is equals to 0.86, which lies in between minus 1 and plus 1. We very well know that rank coefficient must lie in between minus 1 and plus 1. So therefore the marks in two subjects are correlation. They are in correlation. Now let's see this case B, when the rank correlation with tie. That means the values are repeating. So in this case, one or more values in X series or in Y series are repeating. So we have to apply the correction factor in that is CF, denoted as CF, which is equals to RE into RE square minus 1 upon 11, where RE is equals to number of repetition of rank. Now let's consider one example. The teachers gave ranking to the 5 medical students based on their intelligence, and the data are given below. So these are students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, namely teacher A and teacher B separately have given them ranks. So these are ranks. Teacher A has given rank 5 to the first child, 4 to the second child, 2.5 to the third child, 1 to the fourth child. In this way, this table is given. And the question says, do you agree that two teachers A and B have same degree of agreement on judging the student based on their intelligence? Okay, so see, ranks are given, so we have to find out the rank coefficient of correlation. So here the ranks of intelligence is given, so re-ranking the values is not required. री-रैंकिंग तो आप तब करेंगे अगर आपको रैंक्स नहीं, सिंपल वैल्यूज गिवन होंगी. यहाँ पे रैंक्स गिवन है, सो नो नीड टू सेपरेटली फाइंड आउट द रैंक्स, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्शन फैक्टर. So correction factor is CF is equals to RE into RE square minus 1 upon 11, that is 2 into 2 square minus 1. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 2 into 3 gives you 6, 6 upon 11 is equals to 0.55. So correction factor is 0.55. Okay, so now let's find out the rank coefficient of correlation. So ranks of series of X are given to us in the question. Similarly, rank of series Y is given to us in the question. Let's find out now D, Rx minus Ry. Subtract these values. After that, D square, as we have done in the last question. Just square the values of D. After that, summation of D square, which is coming in this question as 6.5. Now let's find the rank coefficient of correlation. Rho is equals to, now student, this is the question when there is a tie in the correlation, so that is 1 minus, those formula is different little bit, we have to apply one correction factor to the values of summation D square. So 6 into summation of D square plus CF upon n into n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 6.5 is summation of D square. CF correction factor is 0.55. We have evaluated 5. How many values are given to us as 5? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 5 square minus 1. After that, so 5 square 25, 25 minus 1 is 24. You can multiply these values, after you can divide. So this is which is coming as 0.3525. So 1 minus 0.352 will give you near about 0.647, which you can round off two values as 0.65. So since this rho is equals to 0.65, which is less than 1, we can say that both teachers have different agreement on this assessment of IQ, that is intelligence level. Okay, so these two questions we have done when there is a tie or when there is no tie, and Spearman's rank coefficient of correlation, which is also an important coefficient of correlation. In the next video we shall see the next coefficients. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.